Well, hello, welcome to another vlog. We're on the way down to Portsmouth again. Hopefully see the HMS Queen Elizabeth aircraft carrier come in. It's been in Scotland for repairs, so it's on its way back. It's due to come in tonight, so we're just travelling down on the M275 now. Come along with us and we'll see what we can film for today. By the way, it's a hot one. It's saying 30 in the car at the moment. So it's definitely sweltering, sticky. While the weather's nice, get out. We're about 5 miles out from Portsmouth Harbour. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We've got the Prince of Wales coming in this evening. We travelled down this morning. The ship is now going off to Cowe to do a gun salute for Cowes Week and then returning into Portsmouth Harbour about 8 o'clock, and we're going to follow it in. Tomorrow we've got a food review at the Spice Island pub. Stay with us for some nice content.
Yeah, I've got a better photo, man. Over there.
Yes. It's a good view both ways. Big that. Huh?
Was that a bit of rope?
No, it wasn't. The bit of the was at the back. I did the front bit.
I'm not trying to steer it through.
I was realising. Bless him.
It's so powerful.
Let me take a picture.
I wasn't filming. I've got the water. See my son standing on the top. She doesn't have to be at the front of the bar. I don't know. I don't know. It is a little bit 600 of them. Yeah, but you might see it. Nice to see. Yeah, that's the front of it. Brilliant.
Well guys, it's the next day. We're just walking through the harbour, Old Portsmouth, where the fish come in. They've got the fishing boats here. We're going to be going off to review some food in the Spice Island pub, still in Old Portsmouth. Order some fish and chips. We're just walking through now. So down at Portsmouth, Old Portsmouth. It's the old Spice, I think it's called. Let's have a look. Oh, it's the Spice Island Inn. Spin you around. Got the Spinnaker Tower. People fishing. Guys, we're at the Spice Island. It's in Old Portsmouth. Got a fish and chips. Nice chips actually. What's the fish like?
Nice. Looks nice.
Nice.
That was nice. Very nice fish.
I don't know if there's like onions in this. Definitely a crunch in it.
Yeah.
These chips are lovely. With triple cooked. This end is nice and chunky, look, just cut into that.
Yeah, it looks nice, chunky.
Nice tasting fish. This cost, was it £17?
Yeah.
There you go. That's how thick it is at that end. Well guys, that was banging. It's completely emptied the plate. Well worth it. Welcome back. Still at the Spice Island, old Portsmouth. It's got a sticky toffee. Yeah, I can't even get my words out. A sticky toffee pudding. Probably be stuck in my teeth, isn't it? You know, ice cream's gonna melt very quick.
It's Jersey toffee cream.
Jersey Clyde. Yes, very nice. Gonna get on and eat this. It's a minesweeper pilot, isn't it? M31. What would that be? Here on Southsea Beach, just got the White Link ferries which go over to the Isle of Wight. We are in the summer, free every hour. Well guys, thanks for watching today. 70% of you are not subscribed. Please subscribe, it helps the channel, helps our content, lets me review and get some more videos up for you. Hope you like it. All the best, Southerners on tour.